It's not Paris, it's Le Chaux de Fonds, the heart of the watchmaking world, and since 1993, home to the Chanel Swiss manufacture, where the exclusive making of the blue ceramic is born, requiring numerous precise and innovative machining steps. It's not polished, it's matte. The matte finish of the blue ceramic is made by expert hands, one precise step at a time. From the very first sketch to the final check, it's not 1 year, it's 5. It took 5 years for the Chanel watch manufacturer to develop the perfect J12 BLEU. It's not black, it's not white, it's bleu.